So brand doesn't matter as long as you are assured of its purity. I will be using castor oil. I'm intending to use a little bit more. So now this is getting heated up and all the goodness of all the ingredients are getting inside the currier oil. Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, Girl Next Door this side. I hope you all are doing well. So today it is New Year, guys. Yes, a very happy New Year to all my subscribers. And now, since it is New Year, Girl Next Door is here at your command to solve one of the most persistent problems, okay? Which is among skincare, hair care, whatever it is, the biggest problem that we all have in common is we are unhappy with how our hair is, right? So it can be how much ever hair you have, whatever is your hair type, okay? Either you're not happy with the volume, either we are having hair fall, or we are facing dandruff issues, or we are facing premature graying, or our hair is thin and we want more volume, right? So all of these are very real problems, and today I am here to show you one oil which you can very easily make from the comfort of your own home, which you can use to solve 90% of your hair problems. Whatever hair that you can see right now, this volume and whatever shine I have right now is actually from that oil. So why wait anymore? Let's start the new year with a bang and let's solve hair problem together. Let's come to the kitchen. Hi, so we are back to our kitchen making the most potent oil that can solve 90% of all the hair problems, right? So for that we will require some ingredients that is easily found in each of your kitchen, okay? So to make that, I am going to make use of all of these ingredients. So first, I am going to use one currier oil. I am using almond oil because as a base oil, this is very useful and it works just good for me. Okay. Next, I am going to use castor oil. Castor oil is something which is really thick, and I will be taking a bit of this. Next, what is this magical ingredient? By the way, this is rosemary. These are actual rosemary leaves which I have brought from Swiggy Instamart. This is Kalonji, as you know, Kalonji seeds. Okay, I will be showing how we can make this mixture. And the last but not the least, Methi. Okay, these are Methi seeds, fresh Methi seeds. Now, the biggest problem is hair fall. So when I was going through dengue and the post-dengue period, the biggest problem was that lots of hair was falling out. So we have to first stop hair fall problem. So coming to hair fall, what are the ingredients that helps in hair fall? So the one ingredient is almond oil and the next ingredient methi seed. These two ingredients are the ones that act on hair fall. Now when necessity number one is done, the next thing is we want new hair growth. For new hair growth, what we need is rosemary. As you know, rosemary is very good for stimulating the scalp and it leads to new hair growth, and alongside that, castor oil. These two will work for growing new hair. And last but not the least, okay, I stay in Bangalore. If you stay in Bangalore, you will know how Bangalore water contributes to premature graying, and that is none of us really want that, right? For premature graying and also as an antibacterial solution, we will use Kalonji seeds. Now let's make the mixture together. So this is the almond oil I am taking. I have taken a clean patila like this, and I am going to put almond oil enough for me to last around 3 weeks. Okay, so this is the almond oil I have taken. Almost, if you see half the bottle, this is 100 ml bottle, so you can tell that I have taken 50 ml of almond oil. Next, I am going to put these rosemary leaves over here. This is 10 gram of rosemary leaves. I'm taking a teaspoon, guys. This is a teaspoon. I'm going to mix 1 teaspoon of methi, 1 teaspoon of Kalonji, Not too much, not too less. And last but not the least, castor oil. You can use these, oils of any brand that, you have faith in. So brand doesn't matter as long as you are assured of its purity. I will be using castor oil. I am intending to use a little bit more. Okay, 1.5 teaspoon of castor oil I am using. And now we have got this mixture, and now we will heat this oil in the burner in medium flame. So I'm just turning on the gas in medium flame, and I'm going to heat this entire mixture. So I have turned in the flame, I have put it to medium to low flame, and I'm actually heating this mixture. So now this is getting heated up, and all the goodness of all the ingredients are getting inside the curry oil. I have already started getting a typical smell of it, mostly from the rosemary. It will start foaming up like this because there's a lot of different ingredients inside, and it's getting heated. I have put it to low flame now. For 3 minutes we will stir like this. Okay, so now that 5 minutes are gone and all the goodness has come into the oil, now we will use a strainer like this and we will strain out the oil entirely. So I will show you how it looks like now. So this is the oil right now, and we will strain this oil out into this bowl, keep it for cooling, and then we will transfer it to a container. So now that this oil is ready, you will see how the color has changed and there's a little fog inside that oil. So that these are the goodness from all the ingredients that we have used. So we will dip our fingers. This oil is right now very hot. You need to let it cool down. So we will dip our fingers into it, and then we will massage in this motion. Okay? In this motion, not with your nails, because if you do with your nails, you will end up getting more dandruff, more flaky scalp, and more hair loss, by the way, guys. So use your fingers, okay? So dip your hand and then massage in this way. Massage at the base of the scalp. Massage wherever you think you're having, more hair fall. Like for me, this front part is where I have thinning of hair. So massage it all over your hair like this. Then keep it for 2 hours and then wash it off with a shampoo. Any shampoo that works best. Doesn't have to be like paraben free, SLS free, but whichever shampoo that gives you the least hair fall is good for you. Okay, use this recipe for 2 times in a week and let me know in the comment section below if it really helped you or not, and thank me later. Okay, and yeah, that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you liked it. If you have seen this video, please subscribe to my channel. It would mean the world to me. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Happy New Year once again. Bye.